Here we go. Loading. Alright guys, my grandma said about 20 more minutes I have until I leave school. Yeah, who should record at school? That'd be nice. Now, all of this is a mess. I mean, I got glasses in there. All this is a mess right there. Look at that. That's the biggest mess. But the biggest mess is our question is freaking restored. It says on the top. You guys probably can't see it. You probably know what Pokemon it is though, but what is it like when I zoom in and it's right on? You guys know? You guys know what it is? If I zoom in, just give me 1 minute. I need to zoom in. Then I'll hold it up. Can you guys tell what it is?